Hello, Succeed fam. I hope you all are doing well and staying consistent with your studies. So, today I thought I would take you along with me for a realistic study vlog. I didn't start my day very early today. Actually, I began studying around 11:35 am as you have seen, but I still managed to have a pretty productive day with GST revision, FM revision, and so on. So, if you also enjoy study vlogs or need a little study motivation, just sit back and study with me. And now let's start the day. So, I decided to begin with GST revision and I am studying chapter 1. I am revising the chapter 1 and let's see how much time I take to complete it. No long study session is complete without coffee. So, I made myself a quick black coffee to stay focused and refreshed. After revising from my notes for a while, I switched to my whiteboard to test how much I actually remembered. Writing the points down really helps me recall the concepts better. So, in between my study sessions, I felt a little hungry, so I ate this dahi papri chaat, which was like quite tasty and it was a little sour, so almost it was good. So, I enjoyed eating this and continued my session. I'm done with my GST chapter first revision and it's almost 2 hours 26 minutes and I just show you the time. It's like it's 2 almost 2. Okay? And after few times my study space slowly turned into a mess. My bed was full of study stuffs and toys and they were watching my study struggle. After that I took bath and used my skincare products and I had my lunch, and since I knew I would have to study late at night, so I decided to take a good nap first. Hello again, and I'm back with my next session, and it will be of strategic management. So I'm thinking of taking lectures of that, and let me show you the time. Like in morning, I've already completed, I think, 2 hours 27 minutes. So now I am starting again with SM. So yeah, let's start. So now I'm done with my SM ka lecture and it's been 4 hours 19 minutes, and I have made notes also. Here it is. And after that I am thinking of writing notes of direct tax. So yeah, I have started already, and let's see how long it goes. So I've almost completed 6 hours 40 minutes and now it's a wrap up time. It wasn't the most perfectly planned day, but I'm happy that I stayed consistent and got a good amount of studying done. And if you are also preparing for exams, remember that consistency matters more than perfection. So take care, see you in the next vlog. Tab tak ke liye bye bye. And if you like my videos, then please do subscribe to the channel, because I share study tips and my study vlogs with you people. Take care, bye bye.